Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Right now in Nigeria, people are gearing up for the planned nationwide protest against bad governance. But here I want to talk about the protest that really matters. Because as far as I can see, this protest that some people want to do is not as important as what I'm about to share with you right now. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. The protest that matters is the protest to ensure that never again will Nigerian electorate allow the All Progressive Congress, the ruling party, take away their mandate again in 2027. It is that protest that is more important than whatever people are planning to do right now. Whatever they are planning to do now pale in significance to what should be done to ensure that the APC does not rig the 2027 election. That is the only protest that makes sense. To make sure that on that 2027 general election, that everything possible is done by the Nigerian youth and the Nigerian people to say never again will APC be allowed to be able to get away with what they got away with in 2023. That is the only protest that makes sense. Any other protest is irrelevant. Even right now, this protest, as I can see it, is not of any significance. It's not important. To me, it's almost like a waste of time. This is because when Nigerians should have protested after the election was allegedly compromised, after that INEC magic, where the beavers could not transmit the election result, that was the day that Nigerians should have protested and sent a message to President Muhammad Buhari at that time that they are not going to take the outcome of that result, that election. If they had done that, the majority of Nigerians who voted against APC will not be suffering what they are suffering today. It is that failure to take action where it matters most. In life, timing is of essence. Timing is far more important than any other thing. What they are doing now is wrong timing. What is the benefit? You just want to show Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president, that you can rattle him. And so what? But if Nigerians had protested in 2023, this event happened on February 25. On February 26, Nigerians shut down this nation. That even President Muhammad Buhari at that time will know that he cannot even announce any result until a new election is conducted by a Nigerian people determined to defend and protect their vote. Nigeria will have been having a different story today. It is that failure, bad and poor timing. When something's supposed to be done, it is not done. There's a famous quote by Unto D.I. Grant. He said, "Whatsoever thou resolvest to do, do it quickly. Defer not till evening what the morning may accomplish." Let me say it again. It's an ancient wisdom. Unto their grant, whatsoever thou resolvest to do, do it quickly. Defer not till evening what the morning may accomplish. If Nigerians had protested on February 26, February 25, at that result, and they were not able to do that electronic transmission of presidential election, and Nigerians poured into the streets, because that was a signal that something terrible is about to happen to this nation in terms of that outcome of that election. APC would have been forced to do the right thing, but Nigerians didn't do it. Now they have deferred action, and they want to protest now. So if you protest now, what? Bola Ahmed Tinubu removed fuel subsidy, so you want him to revert it back. He did flotation of the naira, so he should revert it back. Even if he revert it back, what will he change in the nation? What will he change? Is it not the same set of people? What will he change? They say they have removed fuel subsidy, but IMF and the World Bank say they are still paying subsidy. A chieftain of APC, Madam Nasir El-Rufai, former governor of Kaduna, said they are still paying subsidy. So what is it that they should? I hear people say they should remove subsidy. How much percentage of subsidy did they remove? IMF said they are still paying subsidy. World Bank said they are still paying subsidy. And they have not frontally confronted IMF and the World Bank, who are also, they are masters in advising them what to do. So the protest that will make sense is to protest to say never again will APC be allowed to get away with manipulation of election results. That is the only protest that will make sense. And that will be ahead of 2027. Begin to prepare it now. First of all, make the National Assembly amend the Electoral Act to make it compulsory that there must be electronic transmission of results. And it must be well policed to ensure that it happens. And then unbundle INEC and remove the power of the appointment of INEC chairman from the president, and let an independent body be appointing INEC chairman that don't have to seek any approval whatsoever from the president. That can help. All these election reforms should be well taken care of in the Constitution and in the Electoral Act. But that is not even enough, because Nigerian politicians, especially of the stock of the People's Democratic Party, who messed up this country for 16 years, and the APC that has taken the country to the gutters in the last 9.5 years, the only thing that can stop them is the will of the Nigerian people to say enough is enough. We can't allow you to rig election again in this country, and be able to protest, so that even those of them who used to share money on election day, moving around with Ghana must go by looking for votes to buy, they will be scared to near any Nigerian without their bag of notes to bribe people to vote for them. They will be so scared, they will be so terrified that their agents will be scared to near the polling units, because they will know and sense it. It will be palpable in the air that Nigerians want a change. Until Nigerians are ready for that, any of these protests being arranged is just balderdash, as far as I can see it. It won't achieve anything. So what is the essence of the protest? What will it achieve? You want to show that you are not happy. So what? So what? You are not happy with the money. You ought to have known that you are not going to be happy under the Tinubu administration, under the APC administration, and you voted against them. Even if we go by the arithmetic of the result, even announced by the INEC, let us assume, without conceding, that INEC announced result is the genuine result, is the gospel truth. Peter Obi of the Labour Party got 6.1 million votes. Atiku Abubakar of the PDP got 6.9 million votes. Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso of the New Nigerian People's Party got 1.4 million votes. That's roughly 15 million votes that voted against Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That was an indication that he was rejected by Nigerians. But did Nigerians do anything to ensure that their vote count? They didn't. They succumbed to ethno-religious sentiment. And now they are making noises everywhere they want to protest. No, the time you're supposed to protest has passed. What you should do is to prepare to protest with your vote in 2027 to ensure that never again will your vote be cast and it will not count. That, my friend, is the real protest. Not all this running around the streets and making yourself vulnerable for attacks by security agents and the government-sponsored thugs. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours. And if you look at my wall here, I put some of my books on Amazon on display. Just type my name and the title of the book. It will take you directly to the Amazon platform, where these books are available in several formats, including ebook, paperback, and hardcover. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.